Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I am going to be making mini cheesecakes. I'm going to be making mini peppermint candy cheesecakes. This is a no-bake recipe. It's going to be super simple. Follow along. You're going to want to see how these turn out. Starting by adding a full block of cream cheese to my bowl. I'm going to go ahead and use my mixer and cream this up just a little bit. It still is a little bit cold. It didn't get it quite room temperature. I'm going to add about a half a cup of powdered sugar. You could use granulated sugar, and I do think some no-bake recipes do call for granulated. I prefer the powdered because it doesn't leave that grit. Just going to mix that on low and try not to spread powdered sugar all over the place. I have about 3/4 of a tub of whip topping that I am putting into my cream cheese sugar mixture. And on low, I'm going to mix that all together. Next, I'm adding about 1/4 cup of peppermint candy that has been crunched up. And I'm going to gently stir that all in. I have got 9 mini pie shells here, and hopefully enough filling to fill each one. Plan to try to make them as even as possible. So I'll put in a couple of larger spoon-sized helpings and then just kind of smooth it out. I'm going to finish these up and then I'll be right back. Perfect amount of filling for 9 mini cheesecakes. That's awesome. Now, you could use just regular whipped cream. You could leave them just like this. I'm actually using a peppermint whipped cream, and I'm just going to put a very small, maybe there, a very small dollop of the peppermint whipped cream on my baby cheesecakes. Oops. And finally, I will top with just a little bit of the peppermint candy sprinkles, or crushed peppermint candy, I guess it is. It's not really sprinkles. Aren't those just pretty? Now, I have another video of mini cheesecakes that are butterscotch, and it's a little bit different of a recipe, but just as simple as this one. You should go check that one out. Don't forget to subscribe because you're going to want to see what I cook up next. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating!